remember those days, those L's. I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake game, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good.
Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are absolutely welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to do passion twist crochet method, and this here is from Style 11 collection, and I'm going to be using a big crochet pin. And then for my braid pattern, everything is going all the way to the back, just as you can see it. And for the back, I just did a straight horizontal braid just around my nape, just as you can see it right now. And for this here is from Style 11 collection, like I said earlier, and then it's pretty simple to install. Just insert your crochet pin through under your braid, and then use it to grab the loop of the crochet braid, and then just use that same pin to grab the tip of the ends of the crochet braids, and then just pull it through the loop, and there you have it. It's pretty simple, very easy to do. And then I just continue to do it, making sure that for the back section, making sure that there is no space between each crochet braid, just as you can see it right now. And then I just continued like that because I intentionally did this back like this for periods when I just want to pack my hair as a ponytail, so you don't see the braids underneath. That's why I did the back section like this. Okay, so I just continued doing my thing, inserting the crochet braid through it. And for this here, I've actually used this here before, and I'm going to put a link down below in the description box for the styles that I used this here to create. And so for the front section, I just did the same thing, just inserting my crochet here. Very simple. I actually did this hairstyle in less than 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, so it's really simple to do. And for the sides of my hair, for the sides of the crochet, I made sure that there are no spaces between the crochet braids too, so that when I pack it up, it will still be covered up. So when I'm done with the whole installation, I just grabbed my eco styler, and then I just used it to lay my edges to make sure that my edges are looking really neat and snatched. And so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you think of this video, of this hairstyle, in the comment section. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Style 11 collection. All right, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.